Now take a look at this letter. It seems legitimate. It appears to come from the Mecklenburg County Courthouse, but it says you need to pay up or you'll lose your home and go to jail. Now, don't buy it. The letter recently showed up in mailboxes in neighborhoods in Huntersville, and now the SBI is investigating this. Our Blaine Tollison has been digging deeper into what's behind this letter and the fraud all day long. Blaine?
If you get one of these in your mailbox, just ignore it. It says it is from Mecklenburg County. I actually heard from the assistant clerk of Superior Court. She says this caught their attention when they received 2 of these letters.
I don't know. I don't think I would act on it.
Amanda Dumas, out shopping in Huntersville, took a hard look at a supposed seizure warning notice I showed her. Letters like this one are going out to people across Mecklenburg County and claim you owe money for an income tax debt. If you don't call the number listed and pay in full, it says there will be penalties, including seizure of your bank account and assets.
It's disappointing. I guess it's not really surprising. There's always going to be somebody out there.
The State Bureau of Investigation is warning people about these kinds of letters going around, along with others claiming you'll be arrested.
Kind of surprises people and catches some people off guard to where they will give their money up. The
Mecklenburg County Clerk of Superior Court's office became aware of the scheme when it received 2 of the letters. The post office brought them to the courthouse as returned undeliverable mail. At first glance, they do look somewhat official and say Mecklenburg County Courthouse. When I checked with SBI and Huntersville police, they didn't have any reports of anyone actually sending money, but many are being more careful.
All too common that people are trying to find a way to get money from people.
Sometimes mailers like these are used as a marketing ploy in the tax service industry that reputable companies will not do. If authorities do take action against this scheme, we will let you know. Erica.
All right, a nice warning. Thank you, Blaine, reporting in Huntersville tonight. Thank you.